So hey guys, today I will teach you how to texture and render this bucket. So the first thing you have to do is select this bucket and the base of the bucket, and you press right click. You go to assign your material, and then you go to blend. So basically you gonna apply a particular texture to it. So you go to color, you select the color you would like to apply on it, and then you can adjust these variables on your own. So like I'll put diffuse just a bit less, and translucency I'll increase just a bit, and now I will decrease this a bit, and that looks fine. So the roll off decreases a bit, that's fine. So now I will just select this and put matte text as a Lambert, basically Lambert, and I'll put whitish texture to it. Not extreme white, but yeah, whitish. This looks okay. This looks fine. And now select this. I'll assign new material. I'll also put Lambert on this. Yeah. And I'll put a little bit towards black, like basically same color as this. And now you have to go to the now you have to create a plane, basically. Create a plane out of it. Plane over here. And now select this plane. Go here in the front view. Select this plane, duplicate it, rotate it, and go to this and press 90 degrees. And then now you can move it back by mm, perspective. And now select two views, one the front view, one on the side area. Okay. Increase the size then. Bring them back a bit. And now I go to create cameras and camera. Go increase the size of the camera. Go here, take it back a bit, and then now I will go to the two views, and I will go to perspective camera one. I'll move it up a bit, and then I'll go to attribute editor, and I'll make this 80. I think focal length 80. That's fine. So that it can give a good. Oh, sorry. 85, 80. It is fine. This is fine, and now I have to edit uh, and now I have to finish this. This looks okay. This is fine. So now what you have to do is you have to go into render settings, go into metal ray, and go to scene and create this physical sun and sky, and it's gonna create a sun and a sky in this so it's much easier for you to render. And I'll go here and I'll render the same just to see how. What is happening? Oh, okay. Render view. Oh, okay. One like that. Fine. So yeah, you see over here. You can see that um you can see it's rendering fine. It's okay for the first half. Now what you can do is you can rotate the camera a bit and then pan it up so that you can see properly what exactly that is, and you can go to rendering and create light, normal area light, and you can scale it up a bit. And now I go into perspective view. Point it at that. And I will go to the sunlight and I'll quickly increase the light of that, and intensity I'll make it 0.8. That's fine. And now I'll go back to the camera view. I'll go here, panels perspective, camera mode. So now if I render it, hopefully it can render properly. So guys, now you can see that there's particular light that's coming over here. You have to increase the height of it. So I'll do that and I'll go into the perspective view. I'll increase the height of it, and I'll rotate it a bit. Increase it again, move it back. That's fine, and I'll move this back as well so that the shadow of the container doesn't affect. And I'll select this and then move this a bit towards yellow so that a bit of sunlight kind of thing can appear. Select this as well, and I'll select this and then slight shade of yellow. Intensity I'll move at 0.8. Light effects I want effect right now. That's fine. And if you want, you can just texture them if you want. I'll I'll just create a Lambert texture out of it, just on top of it, so that it doesn't match the same colors that a bit dark or a bit lighter. I'll prefer a bit darker towards a reddish tone. This is fine. Now if I go into this and render this, hopefully it will render properly this time. So guys, now as you know the render is almost complete. I'll just go here, I'll go down, but I'll change it a bit more. I'll not put red, I'll just put like a bit darkish gray, so it's different than that one. And now what you do is that you have to go here to perspective view, and you have to select this, and you have to go to mesh and then smooth, so that it can create a smoothing kind of texture to it, and it will be much smoother than normal. You can see the smoothness over here after that, and now you can render it and the final render can be shown. So I'll go to the render settings, common, and I'll just see once HDL to 1K. I'll take, you have to choose what output you want. So I will go to JPG compression. I don't want any compressions. I want, yeah, camera one is fine. Yeah, quality, lighting, quality, that's fine, that's fine, yeah, that's fine. Now you can render it, just see the settings once. So hopefully it will texture it and render it. कुछ कर रहा हूँ इस वक्त 5 मिनट वीडियो बना रहा हूँ वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. So guys, this is the final render. You guys see this basic final render. So hope you guys like this